Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far, right? So today I'm going to share a tutorial. This tutorial is based on a question from our friend in our community, Cat Child. So I hope I pronounce your name well, correctly. And her question is, I have an element from Canva of a cat silhouette and a gradient background that I want to use within the cat silhouette. Is there any way of doing this in Canva? Yes, absolutely, it's easy. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to think about other applications. So it can be done 100% in Canva, right? So she meant that she would like to get this background into this element. Alright, so actually I did already, so in here, so this element goes into here. Alright, so before we continue, alright, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Teal Sarma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So guys, if you are not yet have a Canva Pro account, I suggest you to have a Canva Pro account through this link that I attach on the video descriptions. So this link is not a scam. This is an official link from Canva because I was affiliated with Canva and it is good to use. All right, so the benefit of having this Canva Pro, that all access, you can get it, all element you can use in Canva, and all access as well, you can get it. So all is yours, something like that. All right, so without further delay, let's go back to the case. So I challenged myself to make this tutorial just to support this cat child, and so that after watching this tutorial she can make it. And this one as well for beginners, or if you are not yet familiar with this kind of how to execute this kind of design, you can follow these steps in here, and so that it's easy for you to make it and to make one of your design. All right, so before we go there, I would like to introduce you all the tools. All right, so maybe you don't know where can I get this one. Actually, this one from the background. So the name of these tools is you can just click in here. So purple, teal, texture, background, colorful, gradient. So that's the name of this element background, right? So in here, this is the name. And this one as well. So you just click this info and it will give you cute cat. So this is the name of this element, cute cat. And the other one is abstract shapes. So these three elements, I'm going to use this one later on. So this one as well, based on this case as well, right, from Cat Child. All right, so guys, later on, all this element named I will just put on the video description, so it's easy for you guys to copy paste, or if you like to use this element name just to make the same like I did. Right, so this is the final one, the final of the design that I made already, and I hope this is what she meant about to use this background into the silhouette. All right, so now watch me work, guys. So what we're gonna do is we need this element and this element over here. Just copy in and then put in here, and I would like to let you know. Right, once we get this one things on this page, and we need to change the color, become white, this one, right? So we need to make this the whole thing's element white, and this one, this abstract, must be pink color, right? Must be pink color, otherwise it won't work. So this is the secret of how to make this element become transparent, right? I would like to put the position forward, this cat in here, and put it in the middle. All right, so once if everything here, so if this element is here already in position, so now we need to group it. Okay, so before we go there, guys, if your element, so this element is editable, right? So you can change color right away, and this one as well. So just in case if your element is not editable, so you need to go to this duotone, right? So you can change the color. So and then click again, and you can change all the color. Each color of this become white, so it will change, and after that you will apply, right? So it will work. So that's the way how, if your element is not editable or is not colorable, just in case. All right, then after we get this one, we need to group it. So we need to group, you need to block of, so we need to block of this element, and just click this group, or if you like to shortcut, just Control G. So that's easy. And after we get this one, we need to download it by pressing this share. After pressing this share, and then you will see here download, and make sure you change the format become PNG, and then transparent background, and choose which page are you working on. For example, like this 5, and yeah, on 5 page, on the 5th page, and then after that done, and then you download it, right? So I'm not going there anymore because I did already. So I would like to get this one from my library, right? So now it's on my library, and after this we need to erase. So by the way, Canva doesn't have yet was that the foreground remover. So this is the best way how to remove this white one, this white color, this white cat over here become transparent, right? Click this element over here that you are upload right now, and then click edit, and click background remover. Guys, this is the benefit of having Canva Pro, because in here, if you are not yet Canva Pro users, you may not, it's not, so you can't use this background remover. So if you are already, so it's just easy, and then click this background remover, and then let's see what's happened. Now we got this one is transparent, so right away apply on it, and once you applied on it, now we need to get this background over here, and then put underneath, right? Just click this position and put backward. So once you put it backward, so now we need to arrange and something like that. If you like the position like that, or maybe you like, so you can arrange so where you want to put, so which part of this background you would like. So I'll just put mine like this. All right, it seems like, you know, there is a shadow over here, something like that. And then after that, this one we need to cut until it get hide behind of this cat silhouette. And then now we need to fix this one first before we continue. All right, so after these things, now we need to change the color of this transparent, become white. So as I told you before, that this one you can change the color. This is two way. This is the first way you can change the color, right? And the second one is, I would just like to reset for a while. And the second one is from edit image, and then duotone. Just click this duotone over here, and then change the color. Each of these one become white and white, so that, you know, it change all the colors. Right, so once this thing's done, so you just apply on it, and now we need to download it again. So by clicking the share button and then download it, and make sure this one you need to check with PNG, right? And this transparent, and page you are working on, and download. Okay, so I did mine already. So once you download it and upload back again, right? So this is it. This is the final one, the final step that you're gonna do. Okay, so the one that we downloaded, and after we download it, we upload, and again we need to click on it. And now please click again background remover. After we click background remover, we can see the result, right? The result of this one. Now we got the things that she's question. So I think I'm done, and now we can change the background so that we can see the result of this of this design. So this is the result of the design. Okay, so if there's something not yet unclear, so you can crop over here, yeah, and then if you like to add some more the shadow over this image, you just click edit image and then look for shadows and just click see all, and there's like 6 options of the shadow over here. It's up to you which one you like. If you like this one, no worries, and if you like this backdrop, right? So I use backdrop from here like I did in here, so I just use the backdrop. So guys, I think I'm done, and it is very easy, so it's not difficult. So I hope this tutorial it will help you guys. So if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe this channel to support. But if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching, that's fair enough. Alright, so thank you very much for your attention, and thanks for watching as well. And I hope after watching this tutorial you guys can make it. Alright, thank you, and see you again. Bye bye.